Looking for a toaster that not only delivers perfect toast but also adds a splash of style to your kitchen? The Oster 2-slice toaster from the Metropolitan Collection offers just that, featuring elegant rose gold accents that instantly elevate any countertop. Whether you're aiming for lightly toasted bread or a deep, crispy finish, this toaster lets you customize your breakfast with 9 unique shade settings. I recently upgraded my kitchen with this Oster toaster, and it's been a game changer. Unlike my old, bulky model that stayed hidden in the cabinet, this one looks so good I actually want it out on display. The bagel setting is a standout. It automatically adjusts to the thickness, giving perfectly toasted bagels every time. Plus, the toast lift feature makes it easy to check browning or retrieve smaller items without burning your fingers. It's simple to clean, too, which means less hassle on busy mornings. What really sold me was how versatile this toaster is. Its slots accommodate everything from thin rye slices to thick bagels, so you're covered no matter what you prefer. The defrost function is another handy feature, turning frozen bread into warm toast with just one button. And if you ever need to stop the cycle early, the cancel button gives you full control. If you're looking for a reliable toaster that blends style with superior performance, this Oster model is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values both aesthetics and functionality, this Oster 2-slice toaster could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. It's designed to make your mornings easier and tastier, all while complementing your decor with its chic rose gold finish. Try it when you're ready and enjoy toast exactly the way you like it.